The global commercial shipping fleet is responsible for the transport of around 90% of the world trade. To secure their vessels are operating in a safe, clean and reliable way, the shipping companies invest in the best propulsion, automation, monitoring and safety equipment possible. Even still, unwanted incidents happen from time to time, one such serious incident being the blackout. Blackouts occur when there is sudden total loss of electrical power in the ship's main power system. It is an incident that scares even the most experienced of mariners, as it brings the whole vessel to immediate standstill. Troubleshooting blackouts can be a tedious process. Advanced vessels have multiple systems that are involved in the power generation, such as engines, generators, engine control systems, voltage regulators, power management systems, load controllers, and so on. Calling out system specialists to figure out the cause and events leading to the vessel blacking out is not only expensive, but also most of the time an impossible affair. With so many system factors that affect the outcome, the only reasonable investigation method is to check the historical data by using Høglund Playback. Høglund Playback is a unique logging tool with a graphical presentation for troubleshooting incidents fully integrated in the Høglund automation system. Høglund Playback logs every signal in the automation system every second and stores it in a replayable file. All alarms and events are stored as unique records within a local database on each operating station. Operators may scroll up and down manually to look at the alarms and events from a selected time and date. Crew will be able to start playback mode from any Høglund operating station on board. They will see the exact same layout of the user interface as from the daily operation, but with a yellow frame around all the mimics, clearly indicating the playback mode. You just start the playback, rewind back to the time of the incident, and navigate backwards and forwards through the displays. When you need to compare signals in detail, simply right-click any object and click Trend to open a new trend window. To add more signals in the same trend window, just drag and drop them into the trend window. Use the navigation buttons and range selection properties to adjust and navigate as needed. In most cases, you will manage to investigate and find the cause of the problem entirely on your own. But in some cases, depending on the type and the complexity of the incident, you might want to ask a colleague, system vendor, or a Høglund service engineer for assistance. By generating a playback export, you can create and compress a playable file that contains all the data required to run the playback on any other computer. Thanks to Playback, we have since 1995 successfully solved hundreds of incidents on vessels all over the world.